Alright guys, we got Maddox on the little Cub Cadet, me on the John Deere, and I'm gonna have my sister, Riley. I almost forgot her name. Riley.
Bro.
We're gonna have her videoing. So, I'm gonna win. We all know.
We all know that John Deere's gonna win this.
Yes. But my sisters, we're gonna have the track. We're gonna go. You just can almost see it. Yep, right here, right here. And my sister's just gonna video. So you better do good.
Crash.
No, we're not gonna crash.
You are. I'm scared. I knew y'all.
This thing is slow.
Well, if you would go,
I was full throttle.
I was too.
That thing has to be at least 30 horsepower.
Oh.
Let me try that when you get on that one.
All right.
It's not like burnt Cheetos.
Yeah, because he ran over dog poop. All right.
Right over what?
You got a video again.
Wait, what I run over?
Dog dookie is
That one?
stinking.
You better come over here.
That's not my fault.
Wait, I gotta go over her.
No, you stay over there.
Oh. Three, two, one, go! Oh no, no, don't come to me. Why? Oops, sorry. They got me videoing, Mama. Maddox bumped into him. Bubba, let me get that forehead pic.
Oh.
Oh,